Having a beautiful hair is the excellent treasure for those who are beauty conscious. All of us wish to enjoy a head full of hair with best color and shine. But hair fall makes you upset and lose confidence when you move outwards. There are a lot of people who suffer with hair fall and try out a lot of medication and programs to overcome their hair trouble. Here is the review about Hairfortin supplement that is going to help you to improve your hair growth. Hairfortin is a 10-second monk ritual that supports healthy hair growth. It has high-quality 28 plant extracts and vitamins. The tea is the main primary ingredient that is added to stimulate the hair growth. The capsules are manufactured in the USA under strict and precise standards. It doesn't contain any harmful toxins and is 100% safe to use. James Green is the creator behind this exclusive supplement. Hairfortin is the best hair growth supplement that makes your head full of hair without any side effects. The supplement comes in an easy-to-take capsule form that works effortless. You can look confident and smarter than before while you were losing your hair. Get it now. Official link given in the description.